Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this pre-owned Spirit. Really nice Class C. As you go around here, we're going to just walk inside and show you a couple of features on this coach. This is a pretty neat floor plan. This is a slide out with a dinette that turns into a bed. That's pretty cool. And as you come around here, the impressive thing about it is this enclosed shower. Look at that. That's pretty nice to have. No water comes around, what have you. And then we go in the bedroom and we got a walk around bed. So that's pretty neat for this size. Look at that. You got more closet, you know, space. This counter is comes in handy. It's pretty cool to have that. We can mount a TV up here for you. The plugins, all that good stuff is right here. So as we walk in here, show the camera. Here we go with your freezer, fridge. Nice size. And then we got also a pantry. Look at that. Nice management right here for storage, what have you. Both sides, of course. Look at this one too. We got it. That's pretty neat. And we got this TV right here and a counter space, right? Microwave, oven, stove. I mean, this puppy got it all. Blu-ray right here for you, for, you know, when I watch a movie or so. Let's go outside and show you more. It got the power awning, of course, LED lights, push a button, you know, you can hang out here. Pretty nice. Got some storage here. This storage bay is logged, so we can maybe go through here. And here we go. That's lots of storage, folks, for it's a Winnebago, so really they pay attention to details. That's a good thing here about the Spirit. As we come around, you got the slide out right here, and you have the topper on it on top. Protects you from debris and all that good stuff. As we go walk around here, this is a 450 chassis, so it can tow up to 8,000 pounds. So there's a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.